It's not surprising that the normal iPhone user doesn't use many of its best features, which is why in today's video, we are going to share some unknown iPhone features that a large number of users do not know about. Silence unknown callers. The spam calls have gone totally out of control. If you're someone who is getting at least 3 or 4 calls per day and they always look like they're coming from some valid phone number, your iPhone can definitely help you out from this situation. You have to open Settings, then Phone, and now you can look for the Silence Unknown Callers option. When you turn this on, phone calls from unknown numbers will not be blocked, but will come through silently. No ringtone, no vibration, just straight to voicemail. You'll receive a notification showing the number of the silenced call. But you don't have to worry much, as phone numbers in your contacts as well as recent outgoing calls and Siri suggestions will sound as normal. Move the text cursor. Anytime you're entering text, you can't simply press and hold on the spacebar until you see all the letters vanish from the keyboard. Now keep holding your finger down and drag it in any direction to move the text cursor wherever you want it, just like you are using a little trackpad. It's a much simpler way to back up and correct typos or overzealous autocorrect. Set up back tap shortcuts. Open Settings, then Accessibility, and then touch and look for back tap. This setting allows you to set a shortcut to a specific app or feature when you double tap or triple tap on the back of your iPhone. And yes, you can also set it separately with double tap and triple tap shortcuts. Back tap is also one of the most useful features on the iPhone, and it's sad to believe that it's laid deep within accessibility settings. It's an easy-to-use shortcut to any app you want, or helpful features like screenshot that you can perform with one hand, no matter what app you're using. Select text and photos or camera. Live text is one of the best aspects of iOS 15, but it hasn't been given sufficient attention. If you have the camera app open, just point the camera at anything with text in it, and you'll see a yellow bracketed box rising around it, with a small yellow button in the lower right. Tap that button, which will freeze the text area. After this, you can just tap and hold, and then swipe your finger over it to choose it and copy, translate, look up a definition, or whatever you want. It works in the Photos app too. In any picture that has text in it, you'll see the little brackets with lines icon in the lower right. Tap that and all the text in the image will be promoted, after which you can choose it to copy, translate, or share. You can even drop text directly into notes by following the same way. Just open a note, tap the camera icon, and select Scan Text. Search everywhere for anything. The search function on your iPhone is more powerful than you will ever imagine. You have to just swipe downward from any home screen, touch somewhere in the middle of the screen, and give it a little downward drag. If you swipe down from the edge, you'll end up opening your notifications or control center. Type anything in the search box and it will search all over for it. You'll get apps installed on your iPhone, website search suggestions, matches in your photos, proper knowledge from Siri's knowledge base, apps in the App Store, Apple Music matches, and many more things. At the bottom of the results is the option to search within apps, in case you wish to find your search inquiry in Mail or Calendar. Scan documents. Your iPhone has a nice document scanner built right in. Just lay down the document you wish to scan on a nice flat surface, and then choose if you wish to create a new PDF document or attach the scanned document to a note in the Notes app. To make a new file, just open Files. Open the folder to which you wish to save the scan and choose the menu button in the upper right. Select Scan Document and point the camera at the document you want to scan while holding the camera. Your iPhone will automatically take a picture. And now you can clean it up and minimize it into the corner while it is ready to take the next image. If you have more pages to scan, you can just repeat the process. When you're done, tap Save and name the file. In Notes, just open the note you want to attach a scanned document to or create a new note. Tap the camera button and then tap Scan Documents. You can also sign documents digitally. Just open the scanned PDF and Files. Tap the little markup button in the upper right. Then tap on the plus sign on the markup toolbar at the bottom of the screen. Tap Signature and you can add or remove signatures. or select a previous signature to place on the document. What is that one iPhone feature that has blown your mind completely? Tell us in the comments section below. With that being said, it's time to end today's video. Press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more interesting stuff. Peace out.